Hi guys! So I'm a little bit frustrated because I already started filming this video and then my camera was like, your memory card is full, so it just literally shut off on me without any warning. So I was like, great. So now we're back. So basically in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a swimsuit, bathing suit collection. I am going on vacation soon with my family, and I wanted to show how I pack for that, but I haven't started doing that. I may still do that video, but I was going through all my bathing suits deciding which ones to bring, and I realized that I have a ton of bathing suits this year, which normally is not a thing for me. I've never had luck in the past getting bathing suits that I feel comfortable in and fit me, and then this year it just kind of fell into place and I got a ton. So I'm going to just go through, first I'm just going to show you the ones I'm bringing on vacation with me, the ones I picked out to bring on vacation, and then depending on how long it's gone, I'll show you the ones I'm not bringing on vacation with me. Okay, and also I just wanted to point out, this is a whole totally different background from what I usually have. If you didn't notice, I have moved. And I did film a whole video yesterday. It was a get ready with me life update. My camera shut off on me because it wasn't charged enough, and I went to go edit it and I realized that I lost a lot of the footage. So I'm gonna have to refilm that life update, let you know everything about my move, but I did move, so new background. Yeah. Okay, so I'll show you the ones I'm bringing on vacation. I'm bringing, I believe, 11 with me on vacation for a 7-day vacation. Less than 2 a day. I feel like that's not too bad. Couldn't decide. So, okay. Let me just start. I'll just start. So, I got this one. It's a bikini. I got this one at Target this year. I don't know what month it was. I went shopping for bathing suits pretty early. I even bought a whole bunch online, which was risky, in January. So yeah, I've been excited for this vacation. So this is one that I have worn already. I do have a few pictures of me in this one on my Instagram if you want to see what it looks like on. Love this top. This top I just love so much because it covers everything, fits really well. It's a little bit confusing to try and get on sometimes because the back is like twisted, but once you figure it out, it's fine. You tie it enough, you'll be good. But yeah, love this one, love this color. It looks really good on me, especially when I'm tan. And then these bottoms. So this top was, my top and bottom are not the same size. I have a pretty large bottom and a pretty small top. So I got a small on the top, and I ended up getting a medium in the bottoms. And this is what they look like. They're a little bit cheeky. You can tell they're cinching in the booty, and then the sides are just like that. So a little bit cheeky, but you know, not for my butt. Everything's gonna be a little bit cheeky. So yeah, that's what that one is. I do have a few. I already wore this one a couple times. No, one time this year. So I do have a picture or two on my Instagram if you want to go through, scroll through, stalk me and see this one, see how it fits. I'm not going to do a try on haul. I feel very awkward doing that. Next I got this one from Target as well. Have I worn this one yet? I don't. I may have worn it once or twice. I don't have any pictures in it. My best friend Gianna wore it at my going away party actually. It's this one piece. I normally cannot find one pieces that fit me because, like I said, my top and my bottom are two different sizes. This year it just worked. I don't like the very super revealing. I'm not good at going to the beach and being at the pool or whatever when I'm not covered up. I feel very self-conscious. I don't like everything I got going on right now. Working on it little by little. But yeah, so as much as I can cover up, I like to cover up. So that's this one. Very simple. I love this color. And I like that little crisscross detailing. Someone's home. And then the back just looks like that, so it'll scoop back, and the butt is not too cheeky for me, which I'm very grateful for. Next, I also got this at Target. I do believe I've worn this one already. Yes, I wore this one the night I dropped my phone in my friend's hot tub. I was very, very, very drunk that night. That's fun. So it's just a bra, black top. I have a black top, but I wanted one that was more of a bra type, just because I feel like it's a staple. And adjustable straps. And just a clasp like that. Super simple. This is a size small from Target. And I paired that with these bottoms. I really want to try bottoms like this because they're a little bit cheeky, and I have such a problem finding bottoms that I like. There's a kitty outside my window. I have a lot of trouble finding bottoms I like that don't show too much of my butt, but still don't look like granny panties, and it's just, I kind of gave up, and I was just like, you know what, I actually really like the way my butt looks in my underwear that I wear. TMI, but I do. So I'm like, maybe if I just buy the same size, and I'm not buying larges all the time, they'll fit better and just have to deal with it. I don't know, I have a large butt, it's gonna always look large, whatever. So that was kind of my philosophy this year, and that's why I bought so many bathing suits, because I kind of just said, screw it, I'm doing it. So that's what these are. So these are probably the cheekiest ones I am bringing with me on this trip. Yeah, pretty cute. Don't believe I have any pictures of me in this one, which I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring bathing suits that I haven't gotten pictures in yet, because I want to have a lot of photo opportunities. Next, I think I wore this one to the pool one time. So this is also from Target. I love Target. Target this year was just my go-to place. I got a few elsewhere, but mainly from Target. So here's the top. It's a little bit weird, a little bit different. I wasn't sure if it was going to work for me, but I mean it did. I bought it. So this is a small. It just looks like that. It was an interesting pattern, I thought, and color scheme. So it just looks like that. And I feel like I haven't seen many bathing suits with like this type of strap. So yeah, I got it. I feel like it's not too revealing in the front, and it covers just enough. And then I got these bottoms. They solid bottoms that were bright, very bright, to go with the color in the top. And these are a size, so that was a size small, and this was a size medium. And the butt just looks like this, just a normal butt, and then the side just looks like that. So that's that one. I'm excited to wear this one because I feel like it's, because of the floral print, it will be cute for the beach. This one I'm super excited to wear. I have not worn it yet. I've been saving this one specifically for vacation, and that's this. I got it from Target. This is a medium. So this one's super cute. It has just like a lace, what do you call that? A lace up, a tie up front, but it's not like revealing. So I really like that. It's just an army green. I feel like this color looks really good on me. And then the back is a little bit open, but not too deep of a cut. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to do this. It's right there, and the butt is actually pretty good. I went shopping with my cousin Lindsay for this. When I got this, I was with her, and I was like, can you please just make sure it's family approved to wear around my family? She's like, yeah, it's fine. So I got that, and I'm super excited to wear that because I just feel like that color is going to look really good on me, and it's a one piece. I feel like it's actually really flattering, and it's cute, it's flattering, It is not very revealing. It's just one that I know my family will approve of and I'll feel good in. One I actually got last year. I wore it on the 4th of July. I believe this is the one I wore on the 4th of July last year. Just simple, plain black bottoms. These bottoms I got in a large, so normal bottoms for Target, just a little bit of that. Just black bottoms. I just wanted to really just a simple black bathing suit. It's kind of simple and it's kind of not, which I like. So it's simple in the fact that it's just a black bathing suit. I'm trying to figure out how to hold this. Okay. But it has a cool little back. So it's just normal top. But actually the boobs were further apart. The padding was further apart and my mom sewed it together. It's a little bit dirty. It's kind of gross. You can tell that my mom sewed it together because it was a little bit too far apart for my comfort and it just kind of kept popping things out that I didn't want to be popped out. The back is, if I can show you, just like string. It leaves a really cool tan line on your back that doesn't go away for a really long time, but top was a small. I do have a picture, maybe 2 pictures of me in this from last year. If you want to scroll down my Instagram. If you don't know, I always keep my Instagram link down below, but it is simply rnturner97. If you want to check that out. Next, these are the bottoms I got in a medium. I really like this color. So it's this color bottom, but the side is like a light pink. So I thought that was cute, this color combination. And this is the top. I like the top because it's a little halter. This is a small, those are a medium. It's like that. It's not like, it's connected, but it's not like the other one where my mom had to sew it together. So it's good, it stays in place, and the strings are all that pink color. And then the back, you don't have to clasp it. This one's really easy to put on. You only have to tie this, but I always leave this tied so I don't have to redo it. And the back, you don't have to worry about clasping it because it's just a string. I think that was kind of the theme last year, was the strings. Next, I really love this one. So I'm excited to wear it. I did wear it already. I have pictures in it, which is kind of like, do I want to bring it? But I really like it. I bought it for the trip. So I'm going to wear it on the trip. So the bottoms are size, oh, I actually got a size small in these bottoms. That's a first. So I wore this to my going away party before I moved. So there is a post about that on my Instagram for sure. I love this color. This is like my power color. And I know it's more of like a fall time color, but I just love this color. So when I saw a bathing suit, I was like, this color in the summertime is being accepted. Yes, please. It's like a wine color, and then the sides are just this. Okay, so this is a little bit annoying. So my mom hates string bikinis. This is basically the most stringy bikini I have because you have to tie the sides. So if it gets too loose, it can like actually come untied and come off, which is not good. But just make sure it's tied. You can kind of adjust it. That's nice because you can adjust it to what you need it to be, but it can also come undone. And that's the bottoms. So not too bad. It's not actually, I mean, I wore it and I took pictures in it, so it must not be too bad. So the top is a string as well. So the problem is that it moves too much on me. I'll have to fix it when I put it on. But it's a halter. It just goes over your head. But I love this pattern. I thought that's so cute. And I feel like these is just small enough to fit my boobs without worrying, without being, it's not super revealing, it doesn't pop anything out, covers everything, but without being super covered. So this is probably one of the skimpiest bathing suits I have and I'm bringing. Just because it is string and it moves a lot, like I have to adjust it. So this one is tie at the top and tie in the back. string bikini. And you're probably like, this is so dumb. Like, yeah, we know. Anyway, I love this one. Target this year. Maybe it still has it, maybe it doesn't. I don't know if Target is still selling bathing suits. Moving on to my last 3 that I'm bringing with me on the trip. These 3 are all one pieces from the website Romwe. Pretty sure I got all of these in a size medium. These were all under $10 and they were all like no refunds, no returns, no exchanges. So it was a risk because I couldn't try them on. But for the most part, they fit pretty well. So I'm going to make it work for vacation. I haven't worn any of these yet. And actually, the 2, not this one I'm about to show you, but the other 2 are really nice fitting in the butt. Like, it covers, I feel like it might almost look like a little bit of a granny panty, but I felt comfortable in it. It was the most coverage for my butt, which is what I like, and especially for a family vacation. So this is the first one I'm going to show you. If I can get it. I just thought this print was very interesting. It's very eclectic. It reminds me of, what's it called? Neapolitan ice cream. I don't know why. It just does. So this one fits pretty good. It has a very open, low back. If I can show you. There's the butt, so you can kind of see. I guess it's not super low. It's a little bit see-through. I'm going to make it work because I like the colors in it, but I do have to make sure this is not a good one, I guess, to wear in the ocean or really in the water. This may just be like I'm laying out in the sand. I just have to be very careful because it is lower and it's a medium. The top is a little bit too big where the straps will fall off my shoulders, and from there it just exposes me. So I have to be pretty careful. I don't say pretty careful, but I do have to be a bit careful when I wear this, but I thought the colors were cute. These next 2 are pretty similar, just a little bit different, different color, but pretty similar in style. This is again that same like wine color, but in a one piece and with white detailing. So I thought that was so cute. And it does dip down, but because it is connected up here, it's not like super revealing. And that's just the front. You can see I didn't even take the thing off the inside yet. I need to strip that. Here's the back. Let me see. I don't know why this keeps happening. It keeps flipping itself. I just want to show you the coverage of the butt if I can. Can you tell? I haven't worn it yet, so I don't have any pictures of it on. Definitely a family approved bathing suit, and it also I think looks really cute on. This is the last one I'm bringing on vacation with me. It's black and white stripe, as you can see, with that same kind of white detailing and the same kind of opening there. So it's almost exactly the same, just a different print. So those are all the bathing suits I'm bringing with me on my beach vacation coming up soon. I'm very, very excited. Look out for, hopefully this video will go up before I go on vacation, so you can keep an eye out on my Instagram for all of my vacation photographs. Me and my cousin are so excited to be each other's like photographers and take really great, awesome vacation pictures of and with each other. She has been killing it as my photographer lately, so I'm really excited to do that for her. So look out on my Instagram, rnturner97, for all my beach vacation posts. I'm so excited. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. So I really hope you enjoyed. Tell me which one was your favorite. Answer all the questions I already asked you to answer in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in my next video.